Hello dear friends. In this Blender tutorial, we want to talk about animating car body and wheels by Car 2 plugin. Car 2 plugin has made it very easy and enjoyable to sculpt a car in Blender. You can sculpt your car by pressing a button and easily use this car professionally in your Blender projects. Now we have rigged our car and we want to animate the rotation of the car wheels and the movement of the body. To activate the car rig, first click on the car rig in Blender and go to pose mode. As the car moves, you will see that the wheels also move, and the car body moves left and right by moving the upper rig of the car. All wheels have a set suspension mode that can help you in car animation.